Assalamu alaikum. This is our final term project and we will be launching our product today. Next slide, please. My name is Aisha Masroor and following are my group members Dua Wasim, Ahmed, Rafiq, Varisha Shakil, Anam Fatma, Sameet Khan and Noman Ahmed. Next slide, please. We are going to launch our Hina applicator machine. Next slide. Now I'm going to tell about our company. And I'm going to tell you some basic information about our company. We have recently launched our company, which is named as Ahmed Product Private Limited. Next slide. So our company's mission is to never compromise on our quality, and we aim to introduce best products with latest technologies. We aim to control our quality with customer satisfaction, and we aim to guarantee our process and check our quality, standard, efficiency, and reliability. Next slide, please. So our company's future goal is to provide maximum profits to our consumers, and we also care about our customers' health and satisfaction. For example, there are many salons in which the henna artists apply mehendi or henna unprofessionally with non-symmetrical designs, and most of the times many henna causes severe reactions because there are so many chemicals infused in it. But our goal is to provide our customers with satisfaction and always care about their health. Next slide, please. So now I'm going to tell you some points about our brand. Our brand provides its customers with most efficient products according to their needs and wants so that they can work more efficiently, and we want to save their precious time. Our brand promises uniqueness through our products, and our products will provide perfection with speed, with respect to time and money, as they are going to save your time and money, as we promise that our brands are only one time purchase and they will going to save your money and time. Next slide, please. Now over to Dua.
Thank you very much, Aisha Azim. Now I'm doing my part, the introduction. Introduction of our business is very concise, as we make the products which can reduce the effort and workforce of our customers. Next slide, please. Why choose us, or why to choose us? We provide the gadgets which can prove themselves to be a better alternative to traditional practices and can be more effective, like handbag with built-in power bank, which can be charged with the help of solar energy. Also, we have launched the specially designed helmet for the riders of food delivery companies. We have put special solar charges in that helmet which can charge the rider's mobile phone holder. Therefore, these kinds of helpful and effective products is our intent to provide. Also, we can make the products on public demand as well. People will start admiring their work more than before by using products, as we are committed to provide them the comfort in their desired work. Next slide, please. Our company's slogan. We have seen many times that there is a need of such technological advancement in several particular companies or in service provide centers, so that they can make their work easier by doing their particular work with the help of technology. So that is why we have decided to establish a company which can provide our customers the valuable comfort which they deserve. This is why we have set the company slogan as your comfort, our priority. As we have launched our company recently, so we have decided to give a special discount to our customers. Like we will be given flat 30% off all products for the first 100 customers. Next slide, please. About product. The product we are going to launch in market is basically a henna applicator machine. A machine which can take less time and efforts compared to humans. This can be very useful product in the line of beauty salon, as this is culture of our society that most of the females from every society visit beauty salons to get mehndi applied on their hands and feet. But it takes a lot of time to complete both hands and feet by henna professional. So in the light of this circumstances, we have decided to launch a machine which can work automatically without the human interference and can save a lot of time and workforce of professionals who used to take at least 30 minutes to apply mehndi on both hands and feet. So the specialization of our product is that it is never implemented in the world apart from the 3D printers. And if I talk about the work of our product, women can take latest mehndi design download from internet or from anywhere else with themselves to the beauty salons, or even they can carry pen drive with them. Then will transfer their desired designs from G-code to machine. After the robotic arm will start working according to the design, and it will complete the work of henna application in just maximum 15 minutes on both hands and feet. Thank you very much. Now Ahmed Rafiq will continue.
Thanks for calling me, Dua. Now I will tell you about your specialization of our product. Most of the women in salon take a lot of time to design a mehndi, but our machine will complete the work of henna application in maximum 15 minutes of time. The 1 hour or 2 hour work will just come into the 15 minutes. Women will take interest in mehndi design, download it from internet or at from anywhere else, themselves to the beauty salons. And we design G-code to the machine. After that, the robotic arm will start working according to the design that was customer wanted. Next slide. Target audience. Then target audience for a product will be a simple. We will definitely target all the beauty salons through direct market or personal market as well. We will define them that our product will be very useful for in the less time of chance. The workforce will be increased their chance of making profit through dialing maximum customers in a day. Also, we will target all the women through digital market or product is basically for all the women. Next slide, please. Hosting segment. For all the brands, cell phones we are needed. Either efficient product, which we can save their time to release or reduce the work. Fourth, applied product PDLA. Provide them the main benefit that one of we can give. We can save our time. We can save our time, we can save our effort and can help you the maximum time. Next slide. Marketing mix. Marketing mix help us to define the marketing segments that the successful position your market offers one of the best known of 4Ps, such as product, price, promotion, place. Product. So first we have to see how the product is it working good or not, such that our product is satisfying all the needs of customer satisfaction. Then we want to design it's there the product, the workforce and the time effort on the profit margin will affect the profit margin and see the growth by using the product. Then we want to set the price of product according to the environment and society. And if we saw early growth of our product, we can increase our price income. Then we want to set the best and reachable place where the customer can attract easily. Then we have to do promotion for our product to attract girls customers which are needed. Now I will like to call Varisha Salim to give further explanation on the marketing mix.
Thank you, Matt, for calling me. Now I am be giving my presentation. I will start with product. The customers want efficiency in their desired work, and we did it very effectively by giving them applicator machine in the market. Our product will satisfy their needs and wants very smartly by saving their workforce and their time. It will evaluate on their visible growth in their profit by using that product. Change the slide, please. Okay. So our next is the price. The value of our product for the customer is very high as everyone wants to save their time and work efficiently. So the price factor would be according to the demand of our product. The machine is one-time investment game. The consumer invests just one time and earns million times as the product has nearly no maintenance cost and runs on low support. We will try to engage the audience towards our product by giving them discount and attractive offers like flat 20% off on the first 100 customers and free surprise gift at extra. Hence, these kinds of offers definitely gain the attention of our audience. Change the slide, please. Please. The cost of the cost just to set the best and reachable place for our customers. We will regarding the benefit of salons and will do the personal marketing to them to place our product in their salons. Apart from that, we will place our product in the shopping malls because women visit shopping malls frequently. As we discussed earlier, women are our main target audience. So we will try to reach every spot to play like the places of our city, main streets of Gulshan KDA, PCHS, Johor, Badrabad, Tariq Road, and many other places. Please change the slide. Promotion. For the promotion of our product, we will do B2C marketing as the markets can now promote products easier, more effectively, and with more personalization than ever before. Also, the digital marketing can help us to reach our audience as nowadays no one is bereft of social media and TV. We will show our TVs in between the YouTube ad as well as on Facebook videos, as this is the best way of marketing nowadays. During the festivals like Eid or wedding seasons, women rush towards the salons, parlors mostly. So at that time, we will be giving them discounts on our product that will come to the increase of demand and supply. Thank you. Now I will inviting my friend Anam. She will continue.
Thank you so much, Varisha, for inviting me. Pricing strategy. The pricing strategy for our product would be very simple, as we focus to capture the market first. As it is the one-time investment, we will set the price of our product rupees 2,000, 20,000 only. The pricing strategy for our product would be very simple, as we focus to capture the market first. We will not go to gain heavy profits. Initially, our main priority, they would be satisfy the needs and wants of our customers. Then we will think the growth of our profit. Next slide. Costing. After calculating the labor cost, local and imported raw material cost, the product we are going to launch is costing us almost 13 rupees per unit, and we have set the retail price of that product 20,000 rupees, and the price for wholesalers would be 17,000 rupees. As wholesalers help us to sell bulk product in the market, so initially we are not going to make heavy profits. As we discussed earlier, our company's aims to make our brand and our product success and popular with our quality in the market. So I am calling Samit Khan.
Thank you, Anam. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Samit Khan. So I talk about a competitive analysis. So here we go. A competitive analyzing is a strategy where you identify major competitor and research their product, sales, and marketing strategies. Help you identify your product unique value proposition and what makes your product different from competitor, which can inform future market efforts. So here question arises, how do you do a competitive analysis? So the answer is in points. That number one is identify your competitors, perform a competitor's SWOT analysis. Number third, examine your competitor website and customer experience. Fourth, determine your competitor marketing positioning. Fifth, look at your competitor pricing and current affairs. Now the direct competitor is when two or more businesses offer the same product or services and compete for the same market, but the product we are launching would be very unique within the market with having no one as a competitor, although human can become a direct competitor of it. Otherwise, it will be a lone competitor in the market. Indirect competitor is the conflict between vendor whose product or services are not the same, but that could satisfy the same consumer. But the indirect competitor for our product would be the 3D printer. That is the only competitor. Otherwise, up till now, there is no competitor for our product, as we have analyzed and discussed that factor briefly before manufacturing. We have discovered all the market, but have not found any competitor, which is the plus point of our product. Slide change, please. Advertising method. Advertising is the attempt to influence the buying behavior of customers or client with a persuasive selling message about product. In business, the goal of advertising is to attract new customers by defining the target market and reaching out to them with an effective and campaign. Major method of advertising or promotional activities through the media, newspaper, etc. Other promotional activities and events in social networking, which is online or social media apps. We have three methods to marketing our new product. In three methods, first is ATL, above the market, above the line. Second is BTL, below the line. Third is TTL, through the line. So first is ATL. ATL stands for above the line. Advertising is going to be deployed around a wider target audience. Second is BTL. BTL stands for below the line. This is an advertising strategy where products are promotional in media other than maintenance, radio, or television. Third is BTL advertising include direct mails, campaign, trade show, catalogs, and targeted search engine marketing. Third is TTL. TTL stands for through the line. These marketing activities help market use an integrate approach to advertise product to both mass and focus simultaneously. Now I will over to you, Noman, to brief explain the three advertising methods.
Thank you so much, Samir, for calling me in front. Basically, above the line marketing involves mass media methods for targeting larger and more general customers who utilize television, cinema, and radio, etc. So in ATL, we will run the TVCs of our product on televisions, especially on all serial or entertainment channels like ARY Digital, Geo Entertainment, and Hum channel as well. Because we all know how much women like and watch the TV series, so that will help us to attract and engage them toward our product easily. According BTL, BTL basically means below the line. In BTL, below the line marketing is the same as direct marketing for reaching smaller but more target audience. It includes PR and search engine marketing as well. According to that method, we will start social media marketing. Like nowadays, between the Facebook video, a lot of advertisings are running, and which is the very smart move to promote your product. And we will definitely do that to promote our product. Also, we have seen at many bus stops in Karachi, like there are so much of advertisement posting there. And as we all know, in Karachi, the newly launched BRT Green Line bus product is about to complete, and we will definitely promote our product to there as well. Moving further, TTL, through the line marketing, advertising also. The clear benefit of a TTL approach is that you are attacking on two fronts simultaneously, improving general awareness and also aiming to increase traffic and sales. In this approach, both ATL and BTL advertising are combined. With the help of billboards advertising, we will reach the wider target audience. We will promote our products nationwide through the billboards as well. Product life cycle. Basically, product life cycle is the chain in where we see our product, and that how our product in future will stand, where our future will stand, what would be the future of our product. So as our fellow members have described it, our product will be new and unique in the market. So I will just describe the matter of introduction that product into the market, how we will introduce our product into the market. At the introduction of our product Henna applicator machine into the market, we will be investing to our promotion campaign, and will arrange the grand product launch event where we will invite the owners of top beauty salons in the city, and we'll show them the short product demo video as well, and we will explain them briefly about the specification of our product. Also with that, we will start our marketing campaign in which we will figure out how we will reach to our audience. The procedure of reaching the target customers, my fellow group members have already described very nicely, that how we can target our audience and how we can reach to them. Our main focus will be to making our customer aware of our product and its benefit. So finally, we have reached to the conclusion of our presentation. And in the end, I would just like to tell you all about it. Our product will prove itself in the market due to its uniqueness, perfection, quickness, time saving, efficient, and effective abilities. And it's consume very less amount of electricity, which is a plus point nowadays. Entering the market with minimum profit and maximum promises, it is huge charm for saloon and aesthetic clinic. It will be a huge success and will change the game and industry of henna application. Innovation always brings ease and opportunity. So as our product will, as our main priority is to your comfort, our priority. So now we have reached to the end of our presentation. I want to thank sincerely to all the audience who listen us very carefully, and I am really hopeful that they will understand the real purpose of our product. Thank you so much.